Guys, welcome back to AxE Alliance vs Empire gameplay guide. Today we have some news about pets. It seems they will have a live stream early look about the pets. They will add pets in the new patch for sure. So this is the date. So you can watch that live stream. I'm very curious how this pet system will be. Also, I'm gonna try to disassemble some unique and mythic gear to get materials for crafting and try to power up even more. I managed to get to level 72, so that means, guys, I unlocked an extra rune slot. I'm gonna equip some rune. Let's try to open a few of them. I think I still have lots of them. Maybe I get a better tier. So let's see. Here, fine to epic. No, don't need. Let's see if we have any better tier. Rare. No, don't need rares. I want higher tier. This from invasion. Here I think. Fine to no. So that means I'm gonna try to level up one that I already have. I'm gonna open. Let's go. Because I want to equip defense rune. I think it's better. Or no, let's equip the attack. No, we cannot. So for defense. So let's put this one and I'll try to level up a little. To enhance. I'm trying to reach 130,000 defense, guys. Defense, it's important because you can do like higher level quests, repeatable quests and so on. So you won't die as fast, you won't use too many potions if you do auto repeats. Also for wall bosses, I'm curious how much defense you need to be able to fight to solo the wall boss from the last area 8. So that's what I'm gonna try in another video, solo that boss, but I need more defense for sure. Let's see, can we get it to plus 15? Didn't fail much, this is good. 128,500, that's good. And I reach maximum level, that's good. Okay. And still have some skills to use. Gonna use for passive and for defense. I want to improve my defense. Getting close, very close to the target, the defense for 130,000. I'm gonna try to level up this one a little. The headpiece. Okay, I'm gonna open some polishes that I have. Sorry, not polishes, essences. Polishes are in the other game that I play, in Darkness Rises. Sometimes I confuse the names. They have the same purpose anyway, both for leveling up gear. So wow, got some epic. That's good. Okay, let's see. We can get the weapon, I think. Yes, quite easily. No need to use this one yet. Level 45. And let's see, for this one. Should get a few levels. Yep. Nice. And let's collect also the ones that I got from the quests. Slowly getting there. I'm curious if the pets will give stats and what kind of stats. Okay, nice. Another level, that's good. And no, not this one. The head piece, helmet. What I noticed, guys, so once you reach a certain level, like here, 52, let's see, we're gonna test this. You need more experience to level up. Oops, what I'm doing. Okay, so let's check. Let's see, unique. See, it gives me less than half level. If I do for this level 1, let's see how much. See, I get 2 levels. Level 1 level and a half almost. So what's better, guys? A suggestion. Once you reach a certain level, try to level up also the other pieces of gear, because you get more, like you level them up faster. See, 6 levels for this one with the mythic. Yeah, let's see for this one. With the mythic, 1 level and a half, something like that. So see, big difference. Okay, let's try to get this one to make some room also. Oops, already have. Okay, and come on, that's it. The gold goes down very fast. We need more gold. They said they will add that gold dungeon, so maybe in the next update. Okay, now I'm gonna disassemble, like I said. Let's see what we will get. Yes, okay, nice. Some materials to craft Zandium gear. Zandium gear, guys, you know, is the strongest gear in the game right now. Disassemble. Only this, come on. Okay, this gave better. Have this unique. Okay, and mythic. Let's see mythic. Okay, that's good. Low on. Should I disassemble this one? Let's see if I develop with it. 9 levels. I don't know. Is it worth it? I know I need defense. Lots of defense. I'm gonna keep it for now. Okay, let's see. What else can we do, guys? Let's open some of these rewards. I have too many. Oh, I still have some essences. Epic. Oh, that's good. Too many things in here. Let's also combine this. All of them from previous event. It's already finished. And let's open. Once the pet will come out, I'm gonna spend gems, guys, on them. So stay tuned for that. Let's open normal. Nah. Let's see, fancy gear. I never pull a unique or mythic gear from the fancy gear, never so far, so it's quite hard to get. Okay, let's open these ones. Crafting materials. I'm curious how many we'll have so far. You need lots of them to craft the Zendium gear. This from elimination, guys, you know, guild elimination. Nice, and this is the reward for the whole week, I think. Okay, let's open this one. Fancy heritage crafting chest. Ooh, they give also essences. That's good. That is good. So you know what, I'm gonna develop this one. I need more defense. This gives more defense. Let's see how much. Oh, 129,000, guys. We're getting close to 130,000 defense also. Good thing. And that's it, I think. We still have some extra rewards. Let's see, can we do one more level? No, not quite. Okay, and let's check, guys, to see the crafting materials, how many we have so far. I know we need lots of them. So what can I craft? Weapons, since I don't have exactly what I need. So let's see for other things. I can craft this one also, the refining weapon upgrade stones. So I can craft these ones for accessory also. Scriptures I cannot. Mod specialty ticket, no. Conversion stones, not quite. Here I'm close. I need one more of this armor conversion shards. Wings, okay. So it seems definitely I need way more materials to do that. So imagine to craft all these materials take a while for sure. Okay guys, this was the video for today. Hope it was useful. Remember to like, subscribe and comment. Till next time guys. Bye.